This is a new video. Welcome. I'm actually in the middle of organizing this countertop, but I needed this video to be separate. I wanted to give a big shout out to my friend Mbuvi Village Homestead. Go check her out. She's an amazing content creator. She's an amazing friend, and she visited Nanyuki and she brought us this entire shopping. This is a whole 5 liters of cooking oil. This is a whole 5 kgs of rice, and I was joking to her, telling her this time around with my shopping I'm buying none of this, and it's all thanks to you. So thank you so much, Mbuvi Village Homestead. Make sure you guys go follow her on my behalf. Give her some love, like her videos, comment. You know, she's also monetized. Watch all the ads, and just do all the good things to her. All right, so thank you so much. I wanted to say that this was not the only thing. There were toys like this. There was a lot. There was sugar. We've already finished the sugar. But yeah, thank you so much. I just wanted to take this moment to appreciate her. All right, so I have this package which I ordered from Bata. I think you can have the Bata contact, which is a business contact, which is fine. All right, so I was ordering some shoes for my husband, and this is the package that came in. We just ordered. You just talk to them, tell them the type of shoe you want. They already know the size because it's like a repurchase. It's a shoe we've bought from Bata before, and we wanted to add 2 or 3 more pairs. I think there are 3. So I'm going to unbox this with you guys right now without wasting any much more time, because it's going to be like a really short video. And why do I not have my tripod stand? I'm gonna have to use my hand, one hand to open. And this is now the type of video that requires a tripod stand. Here I am, no tripod stand, but we'll cruise through just nicely. So I'm so grateful to Bata for making this possible, in terms of we order at the comfort of our house. You already know the size we want, because when you're purchasing shoes, things could go wrong in terms of size. So we've ordered from them before, and they took the liberty of looking from all of their branches to get the right size for this particular order. All right, so grateful for that. Yeah, and let's see what's inside. I'm using all the energy I have. This is the contact. If you would like to order from Bata, it doesn't have to be this branch. You just call him or her and tell her you want a shoe, and then they deliver it to you, because this is in Nairobi. Not that there's no Bata in Nanyuki. Whenever we go there, they always they don't have that size. So we decided to reach our Nairobi friends, and they supported us. I think these are 2 pairs. Yeah. I see how it has been packed. You see, that's the package. Unboxing feels so nice. Yeah, and I'm opening this box in the most unorganized manner ever. I'm sorry in case this is cringe for you, but yeah, we do what we gotta do. Okay, so from here, so there's the shoe. Can't wait. Great. So here we are. Come on, focus. There's the light. Is there no light in this kitchen? But anyway, that's the shoe. That's how it looks. So nice. Very nice quality. Very comfortable. Perfect size. I hope this is the correct size, because we asked for, I don't know, I hope it is the correct size. Okay, so that's it. That's the first pair, color black. Very, very nice. Let's look at the second pair. Oh, a navy blue. I see now. This is the navy blue. You see, I don't know how, if you can see how good this quality is. It's fabric, it's not leather, it's very comfortable, very breathable as well, and it's very safe, so you cannot hurt your toes. The sole is, out of all the shoes we've bought, I haven't seen a sole that has broken. You see the way shoes break their sole? This type does not. All right, so that's the purchase from Bata, and the very generous gesture of my friend Bobby Farm. So let me just organize everything and then show you. Yeah, so that's everything. Let me move so that I remove my shadow. There's the 2 pairs of shoes for my husband. So good, such a good quality. He's been waiting for me to open them, to open the box. He was very kind to let me unbox that video for you guys, because otherwise he would have just won these shoes a long time ago. This package came here a long maybe like a month or 2 months, I'm not sure. Yeah, but a lot has been going on, and we gotta do what we gotta do to make sure we show you guys the good things. All right, so this is a good thing. It's a nice purchase. And then for my friend, thank you very much. So that's it for this short video. Let me continue with this organization of this area. So make sure you watch the organization video. I'm gonna link it up here so that you can be sure that you don't miss out on it. All right.